Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into Indeed as an employer. Logging in as an employer allows you to manage job postings, view applications, and connect with potential candidates efficiently. So, let's get started on how to log into Indeed as an employer. On your phone, open a web browser and go to Indeed website. On the homepage, find the Sign In button and tap on it. Select the option Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to sign in with and give your confirmation. After logging in with your chosen method, you will be prompted to choose your account type, job seeker or employer. Select employer. And that's how you can log into Indeed as an employer. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.